Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy, tasty, delicious chow mein. I don't know if I pronounced it well, but yeah, chow mein, whatever. This is like under 20 minutes meal. Like seriously, it doesn't take time at all, so keep on watching. So for the ingredients here, I have my mushrooms, I have 1 onion sliced, I have my spring onions, I have 1 tall stalk of celery, I have yellow green bell peppers which I cut into tiny strips, I have my seasoning cubes, some salt, I also have 3 carrots which I cut into strips as well. I have my beef because I'm going to be using beef. I have my soy sauce. I have my thyme. I have my paprika, curry powder of course. And this is the chow mein I'm going to be using. This is like the tiniest one. I don't know. I'll also be using ginger and garlic paste, Thai chili sauce, and some olive oil. So the first thing you want to do is to soak the chow mein in a hot water or in a warm water, and in this pack they wrote that it should be soaked for like 2 minutes. So I'm going to just keep it there. When I'm done with frying my vegetables, I will now pour it into the pot. So I'm just going to pour hot water over the chow mein. But if you don't want it to be very soft, you can just go for that 2 minutes and strain the water, then keep it aside for later use. Now in a saucepan, in a big enough pot, I'm just going to add some of the extra virgin olive oil. Once the oil heats up, I'm going to add the sliced onion. And then I will also be adding 1 teaspoon of the minced ginger and garlic paste. Then stir it together. As you can see, I'm controlling my heat. I'm going to be controlling my heat more often in this video because I don't want it to burn. So once I saute the onion and the minced ginger and garlic paste for about 30 seconds, I'm going to add my thyme. And once I added the thyme, I went ahead and add the beef. Now if you want, you can use chicken breast, but I just advise you to use beef. Like the beef gives this meal a very nice flavor and taste, which the chicken breast might not give you. I'm just saying. So once I added the meat, I added a little bit of salt, stir it, and fry the meat for about 5 minutes or thereabout. Just make sure that the meat is well cooked before you start adding all other ingredients. Now I just added my mushroom, and that was just like about a handful of mushroom. And after that, I'm going to add the carrots, stir it. Like basically what we are going to be doing here is add and stir, because this is a stir fry recipe, so we are going to be stirring frequently here. So after stirring the meat and the carrots, I went ahead and added the celery, and then add the bell peppers. That's the green, yellow, and the red bell peppers. Look at that color. God, look at that color, guys. That color is giving me life. Honestly, I love the color. So I just covered the pot to allow it to cook or fry for 1 minute so that the vegetable can cook down a little bit. I still want it to be very crunchy, you know, but if you don't want it crunchy, you can cook it for more than 1 minute. Now after 1 minute, I added my curry powder and my paprika along with the seasoning cube. Now stir everything together to make sure they are well combined. So now it's time to add the chow mein. Like I told you before, I left it in the hot water, and now I'm just going to be adding it into the pot. After I added the chow mein, I added my Thai chili sauce. And now I'm going to be adding my soy sauce. You can just add the quantity you want. You don't have to measure it, just eyeball it and add as much as you want. Now after adding the sauce, I'm just going to stir it. This is the final step. Oh no, this is second to the final step. I'm just going to mix everything together. Then I will cover the pot and allow it to simmer for 1 minute, just 1 minute or 2 minutes. And then I'm going to finally garnish it with my spring onions, stir it again, and my stir-fried beef and vegetable chow mein is ready. Like seriously, it looks so good and it tasted so delicious. You really need to give this recipe a try. It tastes so good. So I'm still going to add more of the spring onion and I will enjoy my meal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.